What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to show you how to make $10,000 in 5 months selling online courses, because I have recently done this myself. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So $10,000 in 5 months from selling my online course. Now if we go over to here to Gumroad, because this is where I host it, I've done $11,164 in sales. That's not profit. And if we go to here, do that, go to the new tab, we can see I've done $10,426 profit. So that's money straight to my bank just from selling an online course. So how did I actually do this? So actually, first of all, let me just refresh that so you know I haven't played around with the numbers. And as you can see, there it is. So the short answer to that is I built a following, an audience, and then I matched a product to my following, an audience. It's really simple. Now we live in the day and age where you can literally cash in on your passion. So you can literally make money doing what you love, all because of social media. So what I've done here, you can literally do in any niche. Now, why do I show you all these numbers and show you how much I've made? Well, I'm no one special, and I want to show you what's possible if you put in the work. So again, all I did was made my audience, my following, which is here, and that is my StackinProfit channel. I put out pretty much every single day helpful content that will help people in their business. You know, recently I talk a lot about low content books, and that's what my course is about. So I know quite a lot about low content books, selling them over on Amazon. I'm not a guru. I never claim to be a guru. I don't know absolutely everything, but I've got results. Now all I did was document my journey going from zero to over $1,000 per month on this channel with low content books. And in the process of doing that, people were asking me if I had a course, and that's why I created Printing Profits. So this course is step by step teaching you what I did to get my results with low content books, and that course is matched to my audience over here on the StackinProfit channel. And then in every single video that I create, I mention the course to go through and check it out. People do, and they purchase because it matches my audience. Now here's the kicker though, people always want to create a business for free. Now low content books, creating them, selling them over on Amazon, you can do that completely for free, and you can practically create a course and sell that for free as well. So to make this money, what I've done just here hasn't really cost me a lot at all. Now to host your course on Gumroad, on here, you can do this completely for free. And then Gumroad, every time your course sells, they're going to take a little cut. So you can create a course, put it on here completely for free. Now when it comes to recording my videos like this one, I use a software called Screencast-O-Matic, and it's only $15 a year. So that's not really breaking the bank. So to create a course and a following, because YouTube, to create your videos and to upload them to YouTube is completely free as well. So you can build your audience completely for free. So this is another great business model that you can literally do for peanuts, for literally nothing. And it's all pretty passive. So all this money quite all this money here is pretty much passive income. I created the course, I uploaded that to Gumroad, and then I send the traffic via YouTube. So quite passive. There's still things I do every single day in this business, like I have a private Facebook group as well for the Printing Profit students, which I go in every single day and answer questions. But this is very passive, the same as Printing Profits, creating and selling low content books. Now, if you'd like to see some videos on how to create a following, how to create digital products, then drop a comment down below and I'll start making a few videos on that as well. Because like I said, I'm no one special and anybody can do this, and building a following is going to be one of the best things that you can do in the long run. Because remember, once you've got that following, all you have to do is match products to that following, and you can do that by creating your own products or affiliate marketing as well. But it's not just about building the following, it's about building a community. See, every single video that I put out on YouTube, I reply to every single comment, or pretty much every single one. And there's lots of different reasons why I do that. Now, when it comes to creating your course, you do want to make it as good as you can. And you want to make it in a way to where when people take it, they can get results. And that's what I did. I think pretty much every one of my students is actually getting results. Some are getting some amazing results. Some are getting some okay results. But nonetheless, people are making sales with their low content book business. Now, as you can see here, I have 239 students and I have less than 1% refund rate. So out of all of these sales, I've only given one person a refund, and then one person did a chargeback as well. So 239 people gone through the course and only one person wanted the refund. Now, if you want to check out the course, you can get there by going to the link in the description or going to printingprofits.com with no G. Now, this is the last week. There is going to be at £49.99. At the end of the week, I think that's tomorrow, Sunday the 19th, the price will be increasing to £79.99, where it's going to stay for a couple of months before the price increases again. Now, with the course, one other thing that we do is over-the-shoulder trainings. So if we go here, we can see extra bonuses. I do an over-the-shoulder training. I like to do one at least once a month, if not more. I think this week will be the 6th one that I've done within the course, and this week's all about puzzle books. So if you want to go and check out the Printing Profits course, you can do that by going to the link in the description. And remember, if you want some more videos on how to create digital products and how to create that following, then drop a comment down below. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy. This has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.